wearing rain hats.
And you never know when you might fall in a puddle.
So that's wearing life jackets.
This is my great aunt Earl.
Yes, I am your great aunt Earl.
Now we're going to go in the biggest
Who
puddle.
are you?
Who am I?
I don't know. You're the great uncle Anita.
That's a good one.
Okay. Well, we are about to go diving in a big, large puddle.
Which is called the pond. And we're going to go in a canoe.
Yes, it's in a banana shape, but it's not banana coloured. See, this is a banana colour.
Oh, we should take my canoe out and it's a banana colour.
Oh,
It's
did
quite
you
nice.
bring it?
No, I did not bring it. I will bring it next time.
That was silly.
Yes,
You never know when you might need a
never
banana
know
coloured
when
canoe.
You never know when you might need a canoe.
That's a banana colour. Okay, let's go find the canoe.
Tell me that.
Oh, there's Flint. Hello, Flint.
Great Uncle Flint the second.
Uh-oh, watch out for the puddle, Danica. Danica, watch out for the puddle. Good thing you're wearing your life jacket. Ah! Is it cold?
Very. I got a mud splat on my leg.
Oh. Do you need a band-aid?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
You never know when you might need a band-aid.
Do you have one with you?
I do not have a band-aid. I'm not very prepared. I
Okay.
also have a very bad wedgie because it's butt strap.
It's not supposed to be a butt strap.
But it is a butt strap.
Oh, there's a very large puddle coming up. Oh, that's good. Wait, don't come near the puddle. Oh, I'm risking my life. Oh.
The puddle. I think we need to stop right here for a sec.
What? Oh, no. Oh,
There's a
I'm
drip going
drowning.
down my leg.
oh, no. I need a band-aid. I have a mud spot. Yeah, right there. It's a mud spot.
I think... Great Aunt Earl?
Yes?
I forgot my name again.
You
Great Uncle Anita.
Yes.
Of course.
How can you forget that, you silly?
Oh, look, it's great
Day.
Godmother Day Day. Here you go.
I sure hope, just like I got to tie my little string.
But I see mine is already tied.
Just tie my string so my hat doesn't fall off.
Because you never know when your hat might fall off.
Because a wind might come up.
I found the canoe.
Oh, look, there's some ducks out there too.
We can see some duck. Where
Okay.
might we find some oars?
Oh, well, let's look in the canoe. Or maybe in this trailer. I just have this gut feeling. Like fish gut. Oh,
No,
well, I guess my gut feeling didn't work very well.
Oi.
Let's look in the canoe. Canoe? Can you help me?
I very much take time into it.
Oh, watch out. It's heavy. Oh, boinga. Oh, it's a problem. Oh.
I think we might need check.
We could always grab a couple of shovels. Those work quite well as oars. I'm trapped in baler twine. Ah! I found the pedals. They were beside the trailer.
They are in there.
Victory is mine. Okay, I want this paddle because it's dry. I found it. Okay. Now, how are we going to paddle in a giant puddle that is covered in ice?
I'm not sure.
Uh,
I forget how we did it the last time.
well, let's take it over to the landing dock.
Maybe we should...
Puddle? No.
Anita.
Oh!
My name to Uncle. When my great brother died,
Your great brother?
I figured you needed a new uncle, so I just changed it to Uncle Anita.
That's interesting. Oh, you better tie your strap because a wind might come up and your hat will blow off.
My strap tied.
Yes, but it is no longer tied. You never know when a wind might come up. You got to be prepared.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Ugh. Which end is the front?
I forget how we did this last time.
Oh, this is the back because you face that way. Okay, we need to flip-flop it. Flip-flop. Okay, who's going in the front and who's going in the back? I think I'm a more talented steerer than you are. It comes quite naturally. It's through my great...
Uncle Anita.
No, not you. My great Grandma Peach, the wife of Mario. That's who it is.
Of course.
Grandma Peach. How could I forget her? Take your paddle, the wet one, because you're a slow silly.
Not sure how to do this.
Well, I will push you in.
Oh dear.
Where the leeches live. We are going out. I feel like a warrior. Hold this.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Uh-oh, I sure hope the dogs don't come with us.
It smells horrendous right here.
That's because you're standing there.
Pardon me, but how dare you speak to your great uncle Anita like that?
You're the great Antonita, I thought.
I don't really want to go in here. Look at how scary and frightening that looks. It's okay.
Be brave. Like Bob, you try and balance your weight as you walk into the depths of despair on a sketchy instrument of fear. Okay, your turn. Take the device and do not drop it.
I will not drop it.
You might well do.
Hello. What is going on back there?
I'm
What's your name again? Grandmother?
Yeah.
Grandmother Earl! Get in! I'm very frightened!
Oh no, show them the iceberg.
Oh, there's water coming in.
Oh, that's from your boots.
Oh, buddy, I'm pretty sure it's not. Great Uncle Auntie Earl, Uncle Earl. Are you in?
I'm Auntie Earl.
Auntie Earl?
Where's the water coming from?
The front.
Oh, that was probably stored there over the winter. You know how water tends to store in
There's
the
dirt on my leg.
nooks and crannies.
Of course. What's be happening back there, Great Uncle Earl, Auntie?
I'm Auntie Earl. Run!
I'm
trying. It feels we're beach still. You know you're just showing everyone your armpit.
Of course.
Oh, I'm still here.
Yeah.
It's not working now.
This has only taken 11 minutes and 32 seconds so far.
This
Oh!
is our attempt at being the red and green show. It's our lifelong dream. Oh, look, we're floating.
Auntie Earl, would you like to take it now, or is it still my turn? Are we just going to go through the ice? I cannot, wow, it's really hard. An iceberg! We are going down!
Paddle.
I cannot paddle and use this device.
Pass it to me then.
The paddle or the phone?
The phone. I can use 2 paddles. Don't drop it. Oh. Paddle away, my... Oh, that's awkward. How is that going to work? It appears to be fairly hard still. Let's go around the edge. We're really far out from shore, as you can see.
I'm thinking this was a very horrendous idea.
Oh, of course it was your idea, you silly little.
Did I actually come up with this idea?
I'm not sure. I think I did. Oh, okay, it appears we have reached some sort of ground. I will get out and push you into the lake again. Oh, it's too deep. Oh, it's fairly deep. Oh, I'm risking my life here.
I'll hold us.
I love you if I die. It's...
I'm pretty sure I didn't want to die here.
Ah!
Oh, Anita. I mean, that's me.
Okay, I'm out. I'm alive. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye.
The oar.
After you pick your wedgie. That is necessary
I
first.
got it. Art thou ready for thy paddle?
Yes, my wet paddle. We survived! Victors.
High five.
With our paddles.
High five.
Victors, I can't high five you. I'm holding the paddle and the camera.
Of course.
You never know if it might rain.
It did not rain today in our case.
But we were safe and not sorry. Until next time,
This
folks.
has been great.
Marvelous.
Grandmother Earl and Uncle Anita.
Uncle Anita, but I thought that you said you were Auntie Anita.
Yes, but you see, you needed an uncle because
Because?
my great brother died, and I thought you needed an uncle.
Oh, that's so kind of you.
I know.
But be prepared. It might rain.